Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Secure a conductive anchor and a clear 50 m safety perimeter because control starts with predictable conditions. Put on insulated gear rated for high voltage and attach ground straps to 0. 5 ohm points. This protects you while transferring energy. Next, align the relic's core toward the storm cell and tune attunement to 1 frequency. This synchronizes the device with ambient charge. Once done, commit to the ignition sequence immediately to lock phase alignment and prevent drift. Now you channel, send a sync pulse, 3 short bursts, at the calibrated frequency to open a conductive window for the ambient charge. As you do this, watch the charge buildup percentage and spark vectors on your instruments, because lateral discharge kills control. Once the window is open for 2 to 4 seconds, engage damping coils to guide and stabilize the arc. These coils prevent oscillation and collapse. Make sure to maintain vector lock until the bolt forms and the system reports buffered energy. You complete the operation by triggering release only when the buffer reads at least 80% and vector lock is green, because premature release causes misfire. After release, bleed residual charge for 90 seconds while keeping the ground uninterrupted to avoid rekindling. If things go wrong, abort immediately. Flip the kill switch to dump stored energy, reground the anchor, and recalibrate the attunement by adjusting frequency plus or minus 0. 5 Hz before retrying. This sequence preserves gear and prevents uncontrolled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.